What's going on, babe?
Hey.
Welcome to the vlog.
I'm cleaning the house right now.
And
it's extra cardio.
extra cardio?
Yeah.
That's a workout?
Once I start mopping, it will be.
When she says that, it makes it sound like she doesn't work out super hard, but Ava would kill most of us in a workout. She's kind of strong.
Gets my forearms. Like
mopping gets your forearms?
Yeah.
A lot of guys are gonna be jealous. They're gonna be like, I wish my wife called that a workout. I wish my wife mopped. Well, guess what, guys? I made it. You heard me.
Oh my!
This is what I get to wake up to every single morning. Winnie Windog. Hey, Winnie. And then we got Scout. He's a guard dog. She's like, what? Winnie. Golden Retrievers are probably like the best dogs you could get. Yeah, by the way, every one of my customers that has a Golden Retriever, when I sell solar, every single time, if I just show them my Golden Retriever and we chat about Golden Retrievers, best rapport in the world. They're like, I love your Golden. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go over to my buddy's house, one of my employees, good friend of mine, and we're gonna talk about his last week of work, how he did. I just wanna show you guys, this is my apartment gym. So this is the apartment that I've been staying in. I'm so excited to be actually moving into my own living space, but this apartment's been really good to me and I have no complaints. My good buddy John is actually the guy who got me in here after my last summer at Vivint, or second to last summer. I've been here for 2 years, so it's been pretty good. That being said, nothing like owning your own home, so I'm super excited about that, guys. I'm just buzzing on that. But today, what we're gonna do is run over to my buddy's house because there's a few of my employees over there right now. I'm gonna introduce you guys, talk about how they've had success selling solar with me, and then also I'm going to pick Tristan's brain a little bit because he's the one who really inspired me to buy my own house and you know, have the casita and everything like that and look for rental potential. So we're gonna go talk to him and maybe he can put you guys onto some real estate game because this kid is actually super smart. So without any further ado, let's go meet him. All right, guys, hold up. Yeah, heard. Yeah, and we got the vlog. We got the vlog.
What's good, baby? Welcome to the crib. We're building a big ass shed.
What's up, Jerry? Going good, man. How are you? I see you too. I know. All right, guys. So that's Tristan over there. That's the homie. This is Jerry. These are my two closers. He just started as a setter, but he's about to be a closer. This homie's crushed it. So he had his first week last week out with us, and he made 16,000?
16K conservative.
16,000 conservatively, which surprisingly, he was actually kind of upset because he's like, dude, I feel like I could have made way more.
It's only 3 deals, bro.
By the way, he was sick as fuck he had a bad head cold. And I know it was bad because he gave it to me and I came home and I was sick as a dog.
So he felt it.
Yeah, and for him to show up and get any deals being that sick is amazing. That guy made him a closer, what, last week? He made 40 grand. First week as a closer, he made $40,000. So it's actually kind of mind blowing. And then Jerry, he's been with me, he's been setting, he's about to become a closer. Well, he already is a closer, but we're gonna get his skills kind of tightened up a bit, and this next blitz he's gonna go out and
yes, sir, we're gonna crush
hopefully
it, baby.
make a real estate commission.
Absolutely.
So
real estate commission.
yes, sir. Yeah, it's crazy. So it's been really good out here. But anyways, we just thought we'd pop in, say hi to the boys, catch up with them a little bit, see if we can talk to Tristan and Jerry a little bit about it. But yeah, it's good, man. It's been really such a blessing to be out here doing sales. Now, this guy right here, he's the whole reason why I was actually able to buy my house and I didn't make a mistake, because him and his dad have been flipping houses for a minute. They've done several projects. This is a house he's working on right now that's his primary residence, and there's a lot of stuff that I didn't know about what to look for in a deal depending on what your goals are. And I definitely would have bought a lot that I couldn't build on thinking I could because I had this, it looks like it has the space, but it won't pass permits. So he taught me everything I needed to know to feel comfortable buying my first piece of property. And so I think that knowledge I would love to implement into this channel a little bit and teach you guys some of the stuff that I've learned recently, and has helped me a ton to move forward and progress in life. I'm super excited. And not just that, but these guys are fucking ballers, dude. They're making so much money with me right now. It's insane. And that's such a blessing to me as a leader to be able to put people in a position like that to where they can come out and make that type of money, because it's definitely cool to do it yourself, but it's even cooler to watch other people succeed using the formula that you put together. Yeah, let's go. So anyways, we'll catch them in like 2 seconds.
Yeah, this is it, bro.
All right, so everybody, this is Tristan. So tell them about this house that you bought and like what you did and why it was a good buy, how much money went into it, how you got the house. You door knocked for this house, didn't you?
Yeah.
He literally, guys, he knocked on this person's door. It was like, hey, would you sell your house? So he did it like I mean, he's a savage. All right, take him through
So
it.
basically what I was doing like 4 years ago is I would just go to houses that looked like they needed to be fixed. So I looked for like boarded up windows. I looked for like grass like really long in the front yard. Because that's usually just a sign of they don't care about the property or they're just not home. Which means that it's vacant. So what I did is I knocked on the door and this old dude came and answered the door. And the house had termites everywhere. Like when I walked in, the dude had termites crawling on him when I like opened the door. So I was like, oh, this could definitely be a deal. Like,
That's wild.
100%. I was like, he's got termites crawling on him. This house must be a mess. So I come in. This part was like the living room, but it was like you couldn't even imagine. Like it just looked like it was horrific. And then there was a wall here, like right here, and this was like the kitchen spot, and like you couldn't use any of the cabinets. They were all like water damaged, like everything had termites crawling through it.
And look at it now.
Yeah, exactly.
Got the hardwood floors.
Yep. So I redesigned the house, I re-engineered it to where we ran a beam across here and made it an open concept. And then down here, this was like their water heater was in here. What I did is I moved the water heater by the laundry room, and then I just made it a half bathroom for like guests and stuff. So, which is really nice, because this house only had one bathroom when I bought it. And it was this bathroom. And this bathroom didn't have any sewer, nothing worked. There was actually a shed out back that they would go shit and like pee in.
That's wild.
It was crazy, and there was 3 kids living here too.
That's insane.
Yeah.
That looks beautiful though. You did a really good job.
Thanks, bro.
This is my first time. So me and Tristan have been friends for a while now. This is my first time actually going in his house and like looking at all this stuff.
And in this room, like everything's brand new. So like you don't know what it looks like before, but like we could show.
Yeah, send me pictures and I'll put them in the vlog.
It was termites everywhere. Just imagine, oh, right here. There was this freaking hole right here. And there was just termites coming everywhere. It was crazy. And then this was the master bedroom. And it was like, there was a door right there on this side. And it connected to the bathroom. So it was like a Lazy Susan bathroom. So everyone had access on this side, and then that was the master.
Gotcha.
And this is the other small room that they had.
Turn it into a little studio.
Yeah.
That's fun.
And then the last room we got, same as the last two. Except for this one actually has some pretty bad electrical going on. But so does the whole house. So we'll have to redo this. And then this whole house is going to be completely gutted because it also has asbestos as well. And so the whole house is going to be gone with the drywall, just so you guys know.
That's sick.
So it was these bedrooms, and then it was just this. And then so there was a carport, and the carport was like, all the concrete was bad. So what I did is I turned it into the master bedroom.
Oh, wow. Okay, sick.
So.
Wow, look at that closet, dog.
Yeah, dude, my closet's huge.
Got the gun safe and everything, if you me.
Yeah, so I added the master closet.
The ceiling fan's nice too. It's kind of bougie looking. It's a nice ceiling fan.
Yeah, and then I added this bar. And I really like the way that looks in this.
Oh, that's sick, dude.
Master bathroom.
That's super sick. That's hard, dude.
Yeah.
Sorry, we're popping and filming him. I didn't tell him what you're gonna film today,
It's
so.
filthy, but it's
Yeah.
fine.
Yeah, I didn't give him a heads up. I just popped in and was like, yo, I'm gonna vlog your house. And he's like, all right. Dude, that is so sick. Walk-in closet. I love that.
This was a carport. Nothing here. Just chicken kennels and just lots of random shit that was here.
And he has the full outdoor garage.
Yeah, and then we added a detached 24 by 24 garage.
Yeah, he had a boat in the garage. You sold the boat, but he has the space for a lot here. It's pretty crazy. And how much did you buy the property for?
$109,000.
How long ago was that?
2020. It was December of 2020.
Uh-huh.
And it appraised in 2021 after I rehabbed it for like $435,000.
Crazy.
But I put $92,000 into it. So all in on this property, I was like $200,000 flat.
He made $200K on this house in equity.
Yeah.
That's amazing. Now, guys, just so you guys know, my house that I'm buying, it's not as fucked. At all. It's not even close to as fucked. It has some repairs that need to be done, but I'm not going to have a $200,000 equity jump in my house, nor am I going to have... I'm going to have an equity jump in my house because I'm going to make it really nice, and I'm going to film before and after for you guys, but it's not going to be like he had because I don't have termites in the... Well, I have a lot easier job. So his is a much better deal. Like I said in the last video, that's the way to do it if you want to have massive equity and stuff, but this one was just a good fit for me, and it's just... I'm going to get some cash flow off that you know, casita in the back that's already built, and I'm gonna make the landscape look beautiful. I'm gonna put a little river fountain in. It's gonna be hard. So,
but we are gonna buy some properties down the road that are gonna be like this.
yeah, me and him are. Yeah, we're gonna, and we'll vlog it too, so you guys can see like the full. It'll be my next house that I buy is gonna be like how this house was, and me and him are gonna fix it up together. So you're gonna see some gnarly shit. But that's the way that you make money in real estate. I mean, there's lots of ways to make money in real estate, but that's probably one of the better ways.
Forced appreciation and cash flow, baby.
Yeah, forced appreciation, cash flow. That's the plan for me, and you see me retire in the next 5 years. Just wait, guys. I've lived up to almost everything I've said I'll do. Almost everything. It's happening. So, just saying. Tristan's house, pretty sick. I'm at my apartment right now. Tristan's house is freaking dope. The way that he was able to get $200,000 of equity in what I think was like a year or two. Pretty sick that he was able to do that. And honestly, that's kind of where ton of money is made, and I feel like a lot of people who are renting and a lot of people who don't buy assets, like appreciating assets, don't really think about. They think about cash, but they don't think about equity. And equity is how people become billionaires. Not necessarily through buying homes, but you know, that's where people are making a ton of money, is equity in their businesses. You build a business, you have equity in the business, and that's where the big payouts come from. So equity is an incredibly powerful play. Even on the smaller scale of just doing a house, you know, 200 grand off of one house, plus he has to have a place to live anyways, you know, so it's just freaking awesome. Right now what I'm doing is, whoa, little bug scared me. We're gonna run over to the gym real quick, and we're going to recruit some guys. We're gonna go talk to dudes, interview dudes, and just see if we can get any young college kids to come try the job out. And honestly, that's one of the craziest things about door-to-door and sales in general, is not only do you go directly to the customer, so you don't have to wait for them to come to you, but you go directly to the employees and you find the employees yourself. And so I like that it's very much, if it's meant to be, it's up to me. I'm gonna go put in the work to find the people, and then I'm gonna go put in the work to find the customers. So it's pretty sweet. I don't have to sit and wait for anybody to tell me, oh, Scotty, you did a good job, here's a raise. I just go make it happen. And that's what I love the most about sales, is that you're either crushing it or you're not. It's just numbers, and I love that about it. So anyways, we're gonna go over there right now, see if we can talk to some guys, and yeah, hopefully we can find some qualified individuals. I don't recruit anybody and everybody. I'm only looking for people who match the culture and the vibe and can help honestly be an asset and not be a pain in my ass, because yeah, don't want that. That can be more of a liability than anything. So without any further ado, let's head to the gym. All right, guys, so just to wrap up, kind of a couple things. So I went over to the college, went shoulder tapped. Basically what that is, for those of you who don't know, one of the most rewarding things for me is being able to go and hire people with no knowledge of this, teach them how to do it, and then watch them make, you know, potentially life-changing money. And so it's pretty amazing to watch that transformation. Just like I've had people in my life who have helped me, you know, taking me from being a personal trainer. I was a personal trainer and a server, and then got into sales, and I've had mentors that have taught me how to go from that to where I'm at right now, and it's been ultimately life-changing. The first year I ever did sales, I made $150,000 in 4 months, and then I did it again. Didn't do quite as well. I made $130,000, and then this year, we're like 4 months into the year, I'm basically at 6 figures already, so I'm on pace to make about $500,000 this year, and I've been working part-time. I haven't been working full-time. That's the crazy thing about it. And so I'm not saying this to brag, but what I'm saying is that given the right opportunity and the right mentorship, your life can change incredibly quickly, and it can be a massive blessing on your life. So just that being said, what's really cool is once you start to get to the point where you're making really good money, if you're in the right environment, then you can learn how to turn that money into assets, and you know, those assets appreciate for you, so your money starts to work for you. And that's the stage of life that I'm in right now, and it's pretty cool. So like what Tristan was able to do with his house is my goal to do 5, 6, 7 times over the next 5 years, and get to the point where I don't have to work if I don't want to. My goal has always been to retire young. I would like to retire by the time I'm 30. I'm 27 right now, and I think if this year goes really well, I should be on pace to do that. That being said, I'm not opposed to working. I would really like to leverage myself and put myself in a position to where I don't have to anymore. I honestly, guys, prefer making YouTube videos. I really like this, even though I know I'm not getting the craziest views right now, but I really enjoy making videos. I enjoy editing them, filming them. It's a lot of fun. So that being said, The next YouTube video that we're gonna put out is gonna be super sick. You guys should definitely tune in for that one. I'm going tomorrow to the house that I'm buying, and I'm gonna film a before video, and then I'm gonna go through all the different stuff that I'm gonna do, and then when all of it's done, I'm gonna do an after video, and then I'm gonna make kind of a collage, obviously, where it's gonna show before and after switch. Now, the next video is not gonna have the before and after because it's gonna take me a while to renovate the house, but I'm gonna show you kind of the issues with it, what I plan on fixing, and then what the plan is with the house. And so it's pretty exciting. So if you guys are liking the content, if you're wanting to learn more about sales, let me know. I'd be happy to make sales training videos for free. I wanna show you guys the real estate stuff because it's literally me doing this for the first time. You guys are watching as I'm doing it, and that's pretty cool. I would love to do some sales training videos. I just don't want to bore people. So if sales training is something you guys would like to see, I can actually do vlogs of me on the doors and teach you guys how to go out and make incredible money regardless of the industry that you're in. Sales is a very, very valuable asset to have. So if you guys want to see that type of stuff, let me know. If you guys want to see more of the real estate content, let me know. And then obviously I'm gonna film a lot of cars because your boy's gonna get some cool cars. Like and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.